Estrella Family Care and Aesthetics is a luxury integrated medical practice that does primary care, psychiatry, therapy, Botox and fillers for all ages in the comfort of their home or via telehealth, accepting insurance and cash pay options. Please like, follow, and share our podcast to access the most up-to-date and evidence-based interventions to keep you healthy. Have a blessed day. Hello, wonderful listeners, and welcome back to Estrella Family Care and Aesthetics, the podcast that brings you the latest and greatest insights into the world of beauty and aesthetics. I'm your host, Chuck DeLariva, Medical Director here at Estrella Family Care and Aesthetics, and today we are immersing ourselves in the transformative universe of radiofrequency microneedling. Get ready for a deep dive into this game-changing procedure that goes beyond the surface. At its core, radiofrequency microneedling is a groundbreaking cosmetic technique. It's a marriage of microneedling and radiofrequency energy. Imagine tiny needles creating controlled micro injuries, prompting the skin to regenerate collagen and elastin. Introduce radiofrequency, and the magic happens. A boost in collagen production coupled with skin tightening and skin firming. The evidence supporting the efficacy of radiofrequency microneedling is robust, to say the least. Studies consistently highlight its ability to improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and enhance overall skin quality. This is not a trend, everybody. It is a scientifically backed strategy in the ongoing battle against aging. It's endorsed by the latest and greatest celebrities: Lindsay Lohan, Jessica Simpson, Kim K, Chloe K. But more importantly, it's science-based, it's effective, it's safe, and it works. Now, let's pivot to the diverse applications of this procedure. While facial rejuvenation is a familiar terrain, radiofrequency microneedling extends its reach to various corners of the body, quite literally. It's not just about erasing fine lines, it's a versatile solution for acne scars, sagging skin, and even those stubborn areas of fat and cellulite. Think non-surgical facelift, think non-surgical body tightening and rejuvenation. Body contouring enthusiasts, this is where it gets exciting. Radiofrequency microneedling is not confined to the face. It's a sculptor for your entire body. Picture achieving a toned and contoured physique without the need for invasive interventions. It's a transformative journey without the extended downtime. For example, you may think you're a tummy tuck patient, right? And you don't want that giant scar across your lower abdomen. Well, in walks radiofrequency microneedling. We could tighten, we could contour that fat, get rid of those stubborn areas. Similarly for butt lifting, breast enhancement, there's all kinds of applications for this. Common treatment areas for radiofrequency microneedling include, but are not limited to, when it comes to the face, we're talking around the eyes, the periorbital region, literally on the eyelids or under the eyes. You know, maybe you got the hollows, maybe you got bags. This will treat that. Dermal filler, there's 7 different types of, tear duct type problems and under eye problems, that only 2 of which dermal filler is going to help treat when it comes to that type of concavity and deformity. Whereas this will be able to treat all of them. So under the eyes, on the eyelids, maybe you've got significantly crepey skin on your eye, or it's drooping a little bit. This will help treat that. Again, all around the eyes. Another common area would be around the lips, so the smoker's lines. Now, facelifts, even if you go in for the surgery, obviously, huge amount of downtime. You're going to have scars. It's a whole thing, right? You got to be put out, anesthesia-wise. And even still, facelifts are very limited into the results they could give you when it comes to your forehead, around your eyes, and around your mouth. This can treat that. Additionally, in the submental region under your chin and the jowls, so we're talking turkey neck here. So if you got that, or if you're concerned that, hey, my jawline is not defined like it used to be, or maybe I'm getting the double or the triple chin, this will help treat that. It'll tighten the skin. It'll get rid of fat where we want to get rid of fat. but then it'll boost collagen where we want to boost the collagen. It's very important to note that not only is the depth of the microneedling adjustable, but the actual radio frequency energy being used is adjustable in accordance to best practice standards, and your board certified and licensed practitioner will be able to determine that. It's important to note, though, that not only around the eyes, around the mouth, under the chin, the jawline, we're talking that snatched jawline that has been oh so popularized this year. Well, really, because it creates and restores a youthful appearance, right? So we're looking to create that upside down triangle appearance as we age. Everything kind of starts to deflate and descend. So that upside down triangle turns into a triangle that is wide at the base and tight at the top. So to restore that youthful appearance, we need to tighten up the jawline. We need to restore that clean, slender, uplifted appearance. Now, those are the very common areas. However, it is noteworthy. It could be used on pretty much the entire face, especially for fine lines and wrinkles. It is an excellent way to boost collagen, restore that elastin production, and just tighten up the skin overall. Think shrink wrapping. Common treatment areas of the body, obviously the abdomen, bra fat on the sides, on the back, under the front and the anterior region, all along the bra line. Muffin top, these are areas that we are going to want to target and focus, but really the entire torso can be treated, whether it's for acne scars, whether it's for scar removal, C-section scar removal, or just general tightening and toning of the abdominal region. So again, we're talking belly fat, we're talking side fat, bra fat, all of that can be treated with Morpheus8 radiofrequency microneedling treatment. Additionally, in the body, commonly overlooked areas include the knees and the elbows. So saggy and crepey knee and elbow skin, it's really difficult to treat. Yeah, sure, you could go under the knife and get put under anesthesia and get something done about it, but you're going to have a huge scar, and nobody wants that. It turns a problem into a bigger problem. On the other hand, you could use radiofrequency microneedling, tighten up that skin, and get a youthful, restored, and rejuvenated appearance on the knees and the elbows. And again, of course, cellulite in the buttocks region or stretch marks on the belly or butt or anywhere really are also treatable with this service. Acne treatment like no other. Accutane is really the harshest treatment that you could do usually, and it's not one that we favor here at Estrella Family Care and Aesthetics because it has so many different side effects and possible complications. It's a rough medication. On the contrary, we could use radiofrequency microneedling. We're talking the worst of the worst cases, cystic acne, heavy bacterial loads. Obviously, we would want to get rid of the bacterial or any type of infection that may be present first, but then the treatment can be utilized to totally get rid of acne in many cases. Additionally, maybe you suffer from acne scars. There's really no treatment on the market that's going to help restore acne scars like this treatment. Why? Because it stimulates your own body to fill the gap. So if you think about it, you're creating the microtraumas, you're introducing the energy at the dermal level to store up some new collagen, right? So it's going to stimulate your own body to utilize its own resources to build up the gap that maybe have created from the acne that was present before and then left a scar. So you're quite literally filling in that gap with new collagen production that is restored, renewed, refreshed, and rejuvenated. And here is the crescendo. Radiofrequency microneedling provides results comparable to non-surgical facelift, not just for the face, but for your entire being. Imagine achieving a harmoniously rejuvenated look from head to toe without the downtime associated with more invasive procedures. Now, let's turn the spotlight onto Morpheus8. Morpheus8, a technological marvel in the realm of radiofrequency microneedling, endorsed by some of the heaviest hitting names in the celebrity world, including Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, Lindsay Lohan, Jessica Simpson, and the list goes on and on. But more importantly, this cutting-edge device elevates the procedure By delivering radio frequency energy with unparalleled precision, it is safe, it's science-based, and it is effective. It's not just about enhancing facial beauty, it's about body sculpting and transforming the entire body with finesse and ease. As we conclude this comprehensive and yet laconic exploration, it's evident that radio frequency microneedling is not merely a trend, but a transformative journey in the world of aesthetics. With its extensive applications from face to body, it's reshaping the landscape of aesthetic treatments quite literally. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of radio frequency microneedling. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Until next time, embrace the beauty that radiates from within, take care, and look out for more information on radio frequency microneedling and Morpheus8 treatment from us. This episode has been brought to you by Estrella Family Care and Aesthetics, your community medical provider. We thank you for the opportunity to serve you. It is such an honor and a blessing. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and comment on our podcast because we love to hear from you. We hope you have a very blessed day. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. We can be reached via call or text to 602-699-6171 or email at info@estrellafamilycareandaesthetics.com or any number of our social media platforms. Thank you and have a blessed day.